Good morning children, welcome to online classes for today. In last classes, we are seeing the addition and multiplication of some numbers along with some alphabets here. Examples for find the q value in the following examples. First one is 3 1 q and the year plus 1 q 3 is equal to the sum of these two numbers is equal to 501. Here find the value of q, here find the value of a, here find the value of a and b. See here, what is first you see in unit place, this is the unit place. Q plus 3 is equal to, you will get in unit place 1. See here, q plus 3 is equal to, in unit place what is there here? 1 is there, in unit place 1. Here in 10th place one of the number is there. You leave it, one of the number is there, how much it is? You leave it. See here, it means here 1 means 11, 2 means 21. Here q is always a number, q is equal to 0 to 1 to up to 9. These are the numbers. Which number is fulfilled for this problem? Which number is correct for this problem? Suppose q is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is not 1. Like this, you add q number. Q is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, not 1 in unit place. Q is equal to 2. When q is equal to 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. Not in 5, it means in unit place 1 is not there. Q is equal to 8. Plus 3 is equal to 11. See here, when q is equal to, suppose when q is equal to 0. 0 means here instead of q value, you put 0. 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. In unit place 1 is there. It is not there. It is not holds good for 0. Next, q is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. In unit place 1 is there. Here 4 is not in unit place. Here, this is wrong. 2. Like this you go on checking. 8 plus 3 is 11. Here in unit place 1 is there. This is okay. Suppose q is equal to 8. This is q is equal to. You verify this one. Q is equal to 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means here 1 carry. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. Here 1. 3 plus 2, 5. This is holds good. Q value is 8. This is the first one. Next, second one. Here a plus a plus a. 3 times the number is added, that is nothing but BA. It means whatever the number is given 3 times, that number is in unit place, another number in 10th place. Suppose a is equal to, let a is maybe 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Which number is suitable for this problem? Suppose a 0 means 0, 0, 0 means 0, 0, 0, adding 0 means 0. There is no in 10th place. There is no 10th place in here numbers. 0 is not suitable. Here next 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Only 3 number. There is no another number. 2 means 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. In here suppose a may be, suppose a is equal to 2. Suppose a is equal to 2 means 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 means in unit place what is there? Whatever the number is there, same number in unit place. Here when you are putting 2, a is equal to 2, you will not getting here 2. 3 means 3, 3, 3, 9. That is also wrong. 4 means 4, 4, 4. 4 3 ja 12. That is also wrong. 5. See, suppose a is equal to 5. See, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Here, when adding 3 times 5, then in unit place, the same number comes. See, when adding 3 times 5, you see here 5 plus 5, you see here 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. In unit place same number. Suppose you are taking here 5 15 means here A is there 15, this is 5, 1 carry means this is B, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 1, this is the answer. Suppose you take 6 plus 6 plus 6 18, here in unit place 6 is not there, it is wrong. 7 plus 7 plus 7 21, in unit place 1 is there, it is wrong. 8 3 ja 24, in unit place 4 is there, wrong. 9 3 ja 27, in unit place 7 is there, it is also wrong. Only A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1, this is the answer. Next, BA into B3. See, BA into B3 is equal to, what is this? Here, the multiplication of these two is equal to 5, 7A. Here, first you see, A into A is equal to, what is A value? Suppose A is equal to 0, 1, 2, dash dash up to 9. See, when A value is 0 means same value comes here. Suppose A value is 0, 3 into 0, 0. Okay, A may be 0. Maybe 0. 1 means 1, 3 ja 3. Here 3 comes, here not 1 comes. It is not goes good. 2, 2 3 ja 6. It is not come. 3, 3 3 ja 9. It is not there. 4, 4 3 ja 12. It is also wrong. 5, 5 3 ja 15. Next 6, 6 3 ja 18. It is wrong. 7, 7 3 ja 21. Wrong. 8, 8 3 ja 24. Wrong. 9 3 ja 24. Here A value may be 0 or 5. Here A may be 0 or 5 means which one is correct? Suppose A is equal to, see, suppose A is equal to 0. Suppose A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 means, see, what is the value of B? See, A is equal to 0 means, A is equal to 0, B value is, this is B value, this is B3. B value may be 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Any one of the digit B value. Which value is suitable? See here. Next, what is the 5, 7, A? This is A is the one digit, either 0 or 5. 570 or 575. Suppose A is equal to 0 means 570. A is equal to 5 means 575. Above 570 or 570. See here suppose you are taking 0 means this is 0, 0, 0, 0 into any number. 0, 3 is nothing but 0. This not comes. 1 means here 1, 0. Here 1, 3. 13, 10 ja 130. It is not 570. It is also wrong. Next. See here. When B is taking 0, B is taking B. Suppose B is equal to 1 means 10 into 13. Suppose B is equal to 9 means 90 into 93. Here, these are the multiplication. 90 into 93 means here 9 9 ja 81. 8100 above. 8100 and above. Here we want what? 570 above. It means B value is equal to, suppose B is equal to 5. 5 means this is 50. 0 means 50, 53. 50 into 53. This is 50, 50 means 2500. This is more than compared to 570 more. Just you take B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2 means, suppose B is equal to 2. 20 into 23. See here, 20 into 23 here. This is B is equal to 20 into 23. See, 23, 0, 23, 46, 460. Next, B is equal to 3. It means 30 into 33. It means 33, 0, 99, 990. The value lies between 2 and 3. It means 20 to 30. 20 to 30 the values lies between. It means suppose 20 to 30 means here 2 is bx, here change the values. Here 5, a is equal to 5. Suppose a is equal to 5. A is equal to, sorry, B is equal to, A is equal to 5. Suppose A is equal to 5. 5 means here A is equal to 5 means B 5, B 3. See, what is the B value? Suppose here 1 means 15 into 13. Suppose B is equal to 1. Suppose B is equal to 1 means 15 into 13. 15 into 13 is nothing but how much? See here, 15 into 13, 195. This is the less than 570. 1 is lesser. B is equal to 2. 2 means 25 into 23. Here, 25 into 23 means you multiply these two numbers. See here, 25 into 23. Suppose B is equal to 2. It means 25 into 23. It is nothing but 3 5 are 15, 3 2 are 6, 7, 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4, 5. This is 5, this is 7, this is 5. This is, what is A value? 5 here, 5 here, 57, 57. Therefore, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2. This is the values. This is the finding the values of AB or A value or Q value. Next, exercise number 1.1. In exercise number 1.1, find the values of the alphabets here. In exercise number 1.1, first one problem C. Next, exercise number 1.1. In that first one, 3a plus 25 is equal to B2. Find the value of A and B. Here 4a plus 98 C, B, 3. Find the value of ABC. Here 1a into A is nothing but 9a. Find the value of A. Here in unit place, first you see the unit place. In unit place is equal to A plus 5 is equal to, in unit place what you will get? 2. It means this is A is equal to here 0 to 9. Suppose when you are adding 5, here A is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Here in unit place 2 is there, it is wrong. When you are taking A is equal to 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. In unit place 2 is there, it is wrong. A is equal to 3, 3 plus 5, 8, wrong. 4 plus 5, 9, wrong. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, wrong. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 is in unit place wrong. 7. A is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. In unit place 2 is there. In unit place 2 is there. It means A is equal to 5. In unit place 2 means here 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, B is equal to 6. Here A value is 7, B value is 6. A may be values here. A plus 5 is equal to, this is the A value and B value. Next, second one. Here 4a plus 98 here. Here a plus 8 in unit place. See here in unit place. In unit place. A plus 8 is equal to 3. Here a may be values of 0 to 9. A may be 0, 1, 2, 3, dash up to 9. Which value is suitable for A? Here A may be, see here 13 means A may be, suppose A is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. In unit place 3 is there, here 3 is there, here 3 is there. Therefore A is equal to 5. Suppose A is equal to 5 means A plus, here A is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 means here 1 carry. 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 means C is equal to 1, B is equal to 4. These are the values. When you are getting one value A, then B value and C value you will get. Next, third one. When you are getting A and A multiply in unit place, same number is multiplied. A is multiplied by A, then in unit place A comes. It means suppose A may be 0, 1, 2, 3, dash 9. Suppose 0 means 0. Suppose here 0, it is not holds good. Why? See here. Here 0 is not possible. Why? Because here only 0 is there. A means 0. 0 means 0 is any number multiplied by any number. The total value is 0. That's why it is not possible. Suppose A is equal to 1. 1 1 ja 1. Suppose A is equal to 1 means 10 into 1. 10 1 ja 10. It is not there. A is equal to 1. 11 1 ja 11. See here 11 1 ja 11. Here 9 is there. This is wrong. Suppose A is equal to 2. 2 2 ja 4. Here 2 is not there. 3 3 ja. Suppose A is equal to 3. 3 3 ja 9. It is wrong. 4 4 ja 16 wrong. 5 5 ja. Let A is equal to 5. Here 5 5 ja means 25. 25 means in unit place 2 is there. Here A 1 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25. 2 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 7. Here 7 is there. This is also wrong. Next, here 6. Suppose A is equal to 6. See, A is equal to 6. 6 6 ja 36. Same A comes. 6 6 ja means 1 6 into 6 36. 6 6 ja 36. 3 carry. 6 1 ja 6 plus 3 9. Here 9 is there. Here A is there. Therefore A value is. Therefore A is equal to 6 is the correct value.